Good morning everyone, it's Anita again, and I'm just going to be walking over to my day spa over here. I thought you might like to see inside for those of you who have not visited. Just coming along the front, you can hear the fountain. I'm talking a bit quieter today because we've got a lady in having a treatment. So here we put up some little Christmas decorations because we like Christmas. Okay, here's our front reception area coming in the front door. I have to adjust to the light. This is Shirley. Shirley's my mum, and I'm pretty lucky to work with you, Shirl. Hey.
Very lucky.
Okay, so this is where people come in. We've got a little retail area here for the guests that stay in the cabins. We've also got games and things like that. Yeah, we sell lots of delicious products. We've got DVDs, under the DVDs, ice cream, freezer. Okay, so, yep, we don't mind a few sweet things. Here we go, there I am, walking through. We bring you into our double room first. So this is the room that couples love to use, especially the husbands, when they feel like they don't want to let go of their partner. They feel much more comfortable doing these things with someone. This is a very popular room actually. Okay, I'm going to spin around past our little thing. Behind our door, we've actually got a pregnancy mat. It's amazing. And you know anyone pregnant? Send them here. Okay, so walking into our lounge room. Lovely lounge. Lots of colours in our spa, which is nice. It's a bit different to the clinical styles that you generally see. So we've got our honey, ginger and lemon tea that we make fresh every day. Now, with permission I've been given from my beautiful client Bev, just to see in her room. So I'm going to be a bit quiet and sneak in. Here we go. So here's Bev having her facial. Very talented Deb. Thanks, Bev. Bye. Okay, so got a sauna in here. Steam room. It's fabulous. Love the sauna. Makes your mind really rest. And then we've got an outdoor area as well. So we do lots of treatments out here. We've got a gorgeous spa bath over that way. Outdoor shower behind here. Oh, it just feels so free when you're out in this shower. It's amazing. Come on in. You can hear a turkey. There it goes. See you later, turkey. And spa under that one, but I might show you that one a bit another time. Alright, well thanks for coming and seeing the tour. And we might see you here soon for some pampering. Ciao!